dumaan na kami ulit dito para mag-buy ng kanyang bread. Wait lang. Para mag-buy ng kanyang mga school supplies. Nakakita ng bread. Yan, bread. Colored paper, Caitlin. Yung colored paper. Yung assorted. Pinabusin na ako. Nabubuisit na siya. Kasi hindi namin. Hey, relax. Ikaw, kaya pa.
No,
This one,
Dad.
colored paper. Okay?
I'm chewing. Thank you.
One lang. Choose only one.
This one?
Okay.
Okay.
Salamat po. Hold the card, Caitlin, please. Okay. Discounted na yan, no? Okay, good job, Caitlin. Okay, give me the card, please. Thank you.